Welcome back to my channel, Dooney Addicts. I am going to do a quick comparison between my Michael Kors Continental wallet and the Dooney Bourke Daphne crossbody, which I have taken off the crossbody strap. So let me just say that late last year, I said that I was done with Dooney Bourke wallets because there's always an issue and because they don't have what I have fallen in love with from Michael Kors. So I said I wasn't going to buy any more. And of course, if you watched or participated in live today, you saw that I unboxed this. But this is what Peter, I need this in Dooney Bourke. And I'm at a point now, I don't care whether it's in pebbled leather. I don't care whether it's in florentine. It doesn't matter to me if you do it in nylon. I don't care what it's in. But I need this style and size wallet from Dooney Bourke. Because this wallet, once I moved into it after my unboxing, I have not moved out and honestly have not thought about moving out of this wallet until I got this today, thinking that it was going to be the same as this. I actually had even higher organization hopes for this one because it's Dooney Bourke. But let's talk about this. Alright, so tons and tons of card space here. There's an ID pocket, additional card space. There's a slot here for cash. There's a compartment back here. There's a compartment here, zipper, another compartment, and then another area for cards. Not to mention completely secure because it zips all the way around. So, size-wise, the Michael Kors wallet is just a little bit longer than the Dooney Bourke. So that's the first thing. Second thing is the Dooney Bourke has a zipper pocket on the back wall where the Michael Kors here in black does not. The Michael Kors secures with a zipper all around. The Dooney Bourke has a snap closure. 2 snaps depending on how full you stuff her. Michael Kors has the gold logo plate on the front. Dooney Bourke has the gold text on the front. So that's kind of the outside of the bags. Michael Kors a little slimmer. Dooney Bourke has the accordion style profile. Now, inside. I was so hopeful for this wallet, but it has one tiny design flaw, which makes me go back to Peter, I need this in Dooney Bourke. So let's take a look at the inside. This is the only thing that keeps me from falling in love with the Daphne. Now, this is a good wallet, and it's a lot better than the slim one that I was carrying because I could not get that one snapped. It was a complete disaster. But it's still not this one. So, the front, and since this is a crossbody, I'm going to turn it around so that you can actually see. The front here, my cards go in with no problem. There's some storage space here. I could probably put my phone in there, but it's not in my pocket. It's probably on my nightstand. But enough storage space that there is actually nothing in here, which is unheard of for me with a wallet. So that's a plus. There are a couple of slots here, and I've just got some information slid in here. So that works. Zipper. I took all of my change out and just stuffed some cards in here. And I had to stuff the cards in the zipper pocket because these stinking pockets on the back are too small. So here's just my Kroger card. And I am attempting to get my Kroger card, and I'm having to force it. You shouldn't have to force your card into a wallet. Why could these not be the same size as the ones in the front? The ones in the front are perfect, and it's like this section here was just cut just a hair too shy. So like I forced these in here, but I'm not, I don't know why they didn't make them the same dang blasted size. So now I have to put my card in standing up on its side in order to use the card space in here. Which means that even though this wallet is not full and I don't have receipts everywhere, which was supposed to be an upgrade for me, I am still alright, so one card in, it's fine. It will close. But if I take one of these other cards and use the top card holder in here, so as long as I have the card in the bottom one, I can close the wallet. But in order to use all of the slots, if I use the top card slot, then look what happens now. See the card sticking up there? Which means even though I finally have a clean and organized wallet without receipts bursting at the seams, it's still going to force me to force this down, the flap down, to try to make that top closure. So, 2 checkbooks in here, that works out perfectly. But if I wanted to have my coins in my wallet, I should be able to do so. And I guess I could, but I've got cards stuffed in here because these card slots here are virtually not usable right here. And instead of having coins in the back, I've got more cards. So it's a tiny design flaw, yes. And am I being picky in particular? Yes. But I just expect so much more from Dooney. I expect more from Dooney than I do of other brands, because this is my brand, and I don't understand why, if other brands can figure this out, why can't Peter Dooney? So I'm shifting cards around. I'm going to see if I can make this work. I'm not adverse to change. I just like what I like. I love the print, the detail, the croco, the embossing. I love the text. I love that I now have a Dooney Bourke wallet to go back inside my Dooney Bourke bag. But this, even as a crossbody, is not this. If they put a strap on this, I would probably use this as a crossbody because it will hold everything comfortably the way it was designed, not me having to flip cards and reconfigure zippers for cards and all this other stuff. So anyway, just wanted to provide that comparison and what my gripe is on this, but I'm going to see if I can fall in love with this wallet this week. So, thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, I do hope that you're finding something that feeds your Dooney addiction. Take care.